What is up people, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will be taking a look at another gaming mouse from HP. This is the HP Pavilion Gaming Mouse 200. If you have not already seen the previous HP Pavilion Gaming Mouse 300 video, you can check it out over here. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. I really appreciate it and it will help me out loads. This is again another budget offering from HP, recommended as a first gaming mouse aimed towards beginner amateur PC gamers, so let's check it out. It comes in a nice small compact box with a nice design. I like having the box, so if I no longer need or have use for the item, I can always sell it or gift it on to someone else. As usual, the box contents include the gaming mouse, instruction leaflets, and warranty information. This is an entry-level gaming mouse, and just like the previous HP Pavilion Gaming Mouse, there is no additional software or drivers available or needed to set this mouse up. Just plug in and play and Windows will automatically detect it. The mouse features a 3200 DPI PixArt optical gaming sensor, RGB lighting, and the appearance is completely black with a funky angular ergonomic design. There is a small patch on both sides of the mouse embossed with tiny little triangles to provide some grip. The DPI and lighting effects can be changed on the fly with the on mouse buttons and has lighting on the HP logo, which is on the palm rest and along the bottom back edge of the mouse, as well as on the scroll wheel. When setting the DPI using the DPI button, the scroll wheel activity light will quickly change color to reflect the current DPI that it is set to. This can be changed from green default setting of 1200 DPI, purple 1600 DPI, white 2000 DPI, and red 3200 DPI. By pressing the lighting effect button, you can switch between the different lighting effects, from color wave, which waves through all four colors in a loop, which is the default, full color spectrum, which is my favorite, then steady in a choice of 4 colors, then pulsing in a choice of 4 colors, and then you have rotating in green, in which the lighting travels from the bottom edge to the HP logo, then the scroll wheel and back again in rotation, and finally completely off with no lighting effects. The mouse is designed for right-handed use and weighs around 114 grams, which feels very light, and this can be an advantage for you if you are an esports gamer. However, the plastic material does feel very plasticky. The mouse itself feels hollow, a little strange, almost feels like a toy. It does not feel premium, but this was kind of what I expected at this price point. This in no way has any impact on its performance, and it does exactly what it is supposed to do. The mouse is comfortable to hold and use. All of the buttons are easily accessible at your fingertips without much force needed to action them. The scroll wheel is very smooth to use and does not require much force either to trigger. The buttons feel pretty good pressing them, and the click sounds are relatively quiet but audible. The 2 extra buttons on the left side of the mouse are customizable by default. The top one is set to forward button and the bottom one is set to backward button. All 5 buttons on the mouse, the 2 side buttons, left click, right click, and the scroll wheel can be customized via the in-game settings only, meaning this is game dependent. If the game allows button customization, then it is possible to change the buttons to what you like. If the game you are playing does not allow button customizations, then you are unable to change any settings, as HP have not provided any software for this mouse to perform any customization. Sticking with the HP Pavilion gaming theme, it has a green cable cord. If you are interested to know what the cable cord feels like, it feels like the same type of cable that you get with your mobile phone charger cable, like that of an iPhone lightning cable or a standard USB cable. So therefore you can expect the same type of wear and tear that you get with those types of cables. This is something to bear in mind for the expected longevity of this device, especially if you are planning on using this as your main gaming mouse with everyday use. Due to the PixArt optical gaming sensor, I have had no issues using it on different tabletop surfaces, pinewood, beech and line pattern dining tablecloth with no mouse pad and was functioning perfectly, so you don't have to use a mouse pad. The mouse does have excellent travel on a mouse pad and feels really fast and smooth, especially using it on this slightly oversized HP Pavilion Gaming Mouse Pad 300, which is slightly larger than your standard mouse pads with a surface area of 400mm by 350mm and 2mm thick. The surface is made of anti-fray cloth and has a non-slip natural rubber base for stability to prevent the cloth from bunching up, and when you're not using it, can easily be rolled up. There is plenty of space for large sudden movements and would be great for games where you would require constant rapid mouse movement. Even if you are using it on the lowest DPI, this mouse and pad make a great combo and would recommend purchasing these two together. The HP Pavilion Gaming Mouse 200 would make a great first gaming mouse or esports mouse due to its light weight and good levels of DPI. The RGB lighting effects has some customization, though limited, is pretty cool and a lot more vibrant in person than what is actually visibly seen in the video. I personally would not pay more than $30 or pounds for this mouse. If you can get it for around $25 or less, then that's a deal. There are plenty of bundle deals out there, so make sure you shop around. If you can get this mouse with the mouse pad and the gaming headset for a good price, then I would recommend you going for that, as that would be the best bang for your buck. Alright guys, thank you for watching. All items will be listed in the description below. If you enjoyed the video and found it informative, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel. For more videos, please check out the other gaming product videos on the channel. If you would like to ask anything or have any questions, please leave it in the comments. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.